Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV11 is unplugged and has been allowed to cool down if it was recently in use. Start by removing the dust container. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the screws securing the battery cover. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws on the back of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust accumulation inside the compartment. It's a good idea to use your soft cloth to clean this area, ensuring no debris interferes with the new battery installation. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, you will see the battery connected to the main unit. To disconnect it, locate the connector and gently pull it away from the battery. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the wiring. With the old battery removed, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connector. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. Before replacing the battery cover, double-check that the new battery is seated correctly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, place the battery cover back onto the vacuum and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Once the cover is secured, reattach the dust container by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Finally, give your vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust from the exterior. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now, plug in your Dyson SV11 and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You should notice an improvement in performance with the new battery installed. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can significantly extend the life of your vacuum cleaner. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.